What you talking about? Is Jaden Place?
Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like the video, remember to share the video, and if you're not subscribed yet, remember to do so now. Now, in another episode, we're going to talk about it. They must say Alkaline recruit Kraft and Roger Wild to team up against Vybz Kartel. Boy, people love rumor. Truth be told, it look like all of them you just get booked for the same stage show. But during that same stage show, Alkaline said something. Now, Nhance also break him silence. After him did say mother make no money out of music. Winfred asked him how him feel, how him have to say now that Vybz Kartel is free. And this is what him say.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you feel about that?
Well, I feel good about that. Cause you don't know, he's a legend of the music where I take part in right now, which is dancehall music. So me feel good to see the king of dancehall.
Yes.
He's now a free man.
But yes, but in terms of this, people think that you're his son.
Yeah.
What have you done with that? How does that? Is that still lingering or what?
It still linger because it's still there all over my comment section them and in my DM as well. But my mother used associate herself with the Portmore Empire, the Gaza camp. People are going to put it for them way. And the youth talented, which is me. I am the youth.
Yes.
So more than likely people are going to put it that way there and say, you know? But nothing wrong still. Nothing wrong.
Well, how does your real father, the one who is your father, so let me get that other people in business too deep.
Yeah.
The one whose name you have taken on as father.
Yeah.
How does he feel about all this?
I don't think he really feel no way. He knows say, hey, I'm a father.
Yes.
Yeah,
So cool.
Yeah, man.
He's not worried by all of this rumor.
No, he can't worry. We can't. Nobody can stop rumor. People say whatever they want to say. So I not really know if him worry. Him not give me worry vibe. Yeah.
And you have a good relationship with him, don't you? Do you?
Me and him cool. No. Yeah, man. Me and him cool.
Good.
Yeah, man.
Well, good to know, sir. And Shebba is good. Is she ready to come back to music now?
Well, me not know really big. First of all, big up my mother.
Yeah.
I'm not sure my mother on and off with this thing. I think that's something what she really, you know? And then she have me now, and me I do it the right way.
But she did say that she was stepping back a bit.
Yeah.
You know, say just you don't know if you can advise me, but Vybz Kartel say half of Jamaica picking with them a feel. I'm in favor of my father. I'm in favor of Vybz Kartel.
Man, nobody cry.
I feel a way in myself. Oh, if you say that, auntie.
No, what's that?
So I feel a way as a team. So you feel say half of him, half of... Oh my God, thank you, yeah. People are say, Nhance, favor Kartel. Me not see it. You see it? Tell me in the comment section. Now, some people are say, Alkaline never call no name, but the people have put 4 and 5 together. And this is what I'm going to say. And tell me if you think a Vybz Kartel in that time. Now the people always say it. It's the artists who see more fame and attention when them call other artists' name. I go find it hard to stop call them artists their name. And even if them stop call them artists their name, them are going to do what people in a hip-hop call subliminals. Say some things where fans are going to see and perceive as something. Even though them can always say, I did not exactly say that. But him say, him not responsible who did I do it, and them I do it. No. And when him said them, some people that wonder, which them? Because Alkaline is not a part of any musical collective anymore. Jamil and Movada ended in some form of musical collective for a short time, and then, you see me? That seems to be no more. But we see a picture with him, Kraft, and Roger Wild. So when him say, we, some people say maybe that should be interpreted as him, Kraft, and Roger Wild. Are they in a musical collective? We not hear them say that. But as younger artists, or artists where become sensations in recent times, Roger Wild and Craft would be off that category. Yeah, the newer generation of dancehall artists them, they get bookings and we see them here and there and them put out the song them and the youth them like them and the youth them listen them and sing the song them and post them on TikTok and you know what I mean? Yeah, Roger Wild and Craft would be at that category. But the people must say a long time they not hear a hit song from Alkaline. Tell me what you say. Do you agree with that? Say a long time you not hear a hit song from Alkaline. Some people also say when Alkaline was at the peak of his career, it was when people thought he was in a musical feud with Vybz Kartel, which Vybz Kartel denied even while behind the bars, saying he's in no musical feud with no entertainers. Some people also say Vybz Kartel, since being released, has not gone out of his way to say anything about an artist, unless it is in response to something being said about him. But otherwise, as well we can say, Vybz Kartel no need to call no other artist name for relevance. Based on what the fans are say, and based on what we as fans are see. We being fans of dancehall music. We can see what I want. Just Vybz Kartel put up a video. The whole media talk about it. Put up a song. Everybody want to hear. You put up a music video right now, it will be trending. If Vybz Kartel do a music video right now, it will be trending based on how we see the interactions are going with people and how them are look out to see things about Vybz Kartel. Now, what was said on the stage show there can be interpreted in different ways, but what we see most people are interpreted as is that this is a message from Alkaline to Vybz Kartel. Tell me what you think about that. Do you think that since Vybz Kartel has been released and the focus has been on Vybz Kartel, some entertainers believe that the only way to get some form of relevance is either to say something about him or to big him up? And maybe this is one of those attempts where we are going to say something and you know say people are going to react. But some people are still say this is not a hit song. And some people believe that Alkaline's career has declined over the years. People have moved on from his type of music and is more listening to Roger Wild and the Craft them. So people that say, I know, we like what him say, are more them by themselves. Some people also say, look at them team up. We can't say that. It look like all them get booked for the stage show, in my opinion. And somebody just want a photograph or a video. Or maybe even the promoter. Maybe it was none of the artists them who decide say, yo, make we take a picture together. Maybe none of them say that. Maybe Alkaline never said that, Craft never said that, and Roger Wild never said that. But the promoter decides, say, what you know, get a video with all on. And you know, because the promoter asks, them just do it. But they don't know the media will make it see. And then with the statement we are saying, we are do it. You know, if just because of them they get booked for the stage show at that moment in time. So we must say the other artists them not do it. Talk to me in the comment section though. Tell me what you think about what Nhance have to say. Tell me what you think about where Alkaline say on a stage show there. You know what I mean? And the picture with him and Craft and Roger Wild. Now, if you're new to the channel as a pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you now will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and boost a share. And tell a friend, to tell them sister and them, brother them, to check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. The comment section 24/7, it never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for you to live, love, and prosper, and for you to stay tuned. Remember to like, share, and remember to subscribe.